Adding math into LaTeX. LaTeX makes math equations look professional. Any math that you add looks sleek and good. Here are the commands to put the math you need into your thesis. To write an equation, we need to enter the equation environment. It's easy to do, we just add the right package. After we specify the document class, we write on a new line / use package, curly bracket, AMS math, and curly bracket. Now, we can just write / begin, curly bracket, equation asterisk, and curly bracket to enter the equation environment, and we can write plain equations and LaTeX will format them for us. For example, if we write x hat y equals z, LaTeX will automatically put x to the power of y. We don't need to play around with superscripts to get the right formatting. That is how great LaTeX is. Now on a new line write / curly bracket, equation asterisk, and curly bracket. Hit compile to see the formatting. LaTeX can also do fractions very easily. Let's delete our current equation. Each equation section can only hold one equation. If you need to, add an additional begin equation, and equation section like we have here. Make sure to use the exact same notation. Now write f bracket, x, closed bracket, equals / int, hat, x, underscore y / frac, curly bracket, a, and curly bracket, b, and curly bracket, z hat t. If we compile this, we get the following neatly written equation. We did fractions as well as integrals and powers in one equation very easily. For square roots, write /sqrt, curly bracket, x, and curly bracket. Compile. And done. A great looking equation. To do derivatives, write f bracket, x, and bracket. Compile. Now we have the derivative of x. But what about partial derivatives? They are easy too. We use the fraction notation we covered earlier and write /frac, curly bracket, /partial, space, f, and curly bracket, partial, space, x, and curly bracket. Hit the compile and we have the partial derivative of f. To do a k-order derivative, it's very similar but we write /frac, curly bracket, /partial, space, hat, curly bracket, k, and curly bracket, space, f, and curly bracket, /partial, space, x hat k, curly bracket. When we compile it, we get this complex math equation. What about matrices though? They are also very easy. First write /begin, curly bracket, matrix, and curly bracket. Press enter and continue with 3, space, ampersand, space, 5, double /. Press enter. Continue with 6, space, ampersand, space, 4. Press enter. Continue with /, and, curly bracket, matrix, and curly bracket. And now compile. What this does is output a matrix. But, it doesn't have brackets. Let's add them. We are going to add brackets that encompass all of the matrix and not just little brackets. Now, before the line that has /begin, curly bracket, matrix, and curly bracket, we will write \left, square bracket. And, after the end of the matrix, we will add \right, and square bracket. Now let's compile. Now we have a beautiful matrix that you can add as many rows or columns to and the brackets will grow accordingly. And that is what you need to write math equations in your LaTeX document. In our next video, we will cover how to add figures and perfectly align them in your LaTeX document.